So this is the front. I have actually started prepping the front, as you can see. Yeah, I had to use another color so that you will see the contrast of what I have done on the main fabric. Yes, so this actually, you don't necessarily need to do this, especially this one. You don't necessarily need to do this one, first one, but I like to do it just to prep it for the load it's going to carry. If not, the main job is on the lining. So what I do is, on the lining, I have a light gum stay on this. In Nigeria we call it gum stay. It's light. Let me show you what I mean. It's light. It's very light. On this side it has a shiny part, and on this side it has the dull face. So that's what I use for this. And the white one I added to the main fabric is also a paper gum stay. Is light like this. It has this rough surface. This rough surface is the side that you will gum to your material. So the main thing I'm going to work on is on the lining. First of all, prepping my padding. What I usually do is from my pattern, I trace out panels for my, I trace this out. This line is the under bust line. This line here is the under bust line, and this is the center front. This is a sweetheart neckline, as you can see. Yeah, so what I usually do from the under bust, I just, you know, use my eyes to eyeball it, but I must start from the under bust and away, like 1 inch or so away from the neckline. You see, this is the sweetheart neckline, so I come down 1 inch or so, and I make sure I, you know, notch the two sides. So this also is on the under bust. So I just go ahead and just give it a curve like that. So I get out this for my padding. And again, what I do to prep the fabric is I notch it, you know, to know where I'm going to be adding my padding. So I'll just go ahead, and this is the padding I'm using. It's called what do you call it? It's called breast pad in Nigeria. But if you're not in Nigeria and it's the medium type, there is a harder one. This one is medium. This is the width of, is less than 1 cm. So that's the wording, or that's the breast pad I like to use. Because I have already prepped this, I know where this is going to be. I place it on the, you see, I place it there, and it matches with the notch I have kept here. And you know, that way is very easy for me to match up. And so this one, you see the notches here, I start from there and place it. So I'll just go to my ironing table and iron this out. So you can decide to, you know, cut out the sewing allowance, and you cut it out from here like so. So it means you're going to place your breast pad on, you know, you minus the sewing allowance. But I like to leave this sewing allowance so that by the time I sew it, it will give me that boning effect on the whatever. It will give me that boning effect. That's why I usually leave it there. By the time I top stitch it, it will give me that structure that I need. So let's go to the sewing machine and join this, so you see the effect.